What do you think, Mighty?
You said before that you didn't feel comfortable with that chart because your sounds wouldn't fit all of your sounds there. Am I right?
Yes. What I was saying. I don't think it's right to teach people who, first of all, are naturally rhotic. Secondly, when people are listening to them, they expect to hear rhotic sound. You see, I don't think it's right to teach. Just to teach in a more global way Spanish people to be non-rhotic speakers. It's a very, very alien concept for me, and I think it's strange, and I think it's outdated, and it's unrealistic because it's generally not going to happen. If you take an individual approach and you decide that you'd love to sound like Adrian Underhill, and you want to really refine your accent, and I'm not criticising Adrian Underhill, because I agree he's got a lovely accent, but I would think it's very strange to. Usually, what will happen is you might capture some of those characteristics, but not others. And the worst case scenario, you'll be in a strange accent that might not be understood. But I mean, that's very, very theoretical, because the practicalities and the realities are that you will always speak as a rhotic speaker. When you're a Spanish speaker speaking English, you'll always say shirt and heart and hair and ear. So these are the R vowels. And the very last thing, the last tongue twister for this that I want to give you, this R sound is written here. Oh, sorry. That's it there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Now, if you are a non-rhotic speaker, that sound exists in situations where there are no R's. If you're a non-rhotic speaker, this sound exists in situations and words where there are no R's. Can you think of an example? The sound is ah. Ah. There's no R there, it's just ah. You say hands. Hands is short A. Hands. So not in that word, no. Palm, exactly, palm. That's baby, short O, wall. So palm. What is your mother or your father's sister? Your aunt. What's an hormiga? Aunt. For me it's the same. For me it's the same. For me that's the same, yeah. What about, what do you wash yourself in? What do you wash yourself in? The shower or
bath.
The bath. Repeat after me. Marge laughed
Marge
when Charles farted in the bath.
In the bath.
Well, do you like that?
Yes.
Do you like to say, Marge laughed when Charles farted in the bath? Do you like that?
Why not?
Now, I don't say that, and I say Marge, short A, laughed
Oh.
when Charles farted in the bath.
Mm. Yeah.
And I would encourage you to do the same as me.
Yeah.
You spell it with a C. I would encourage you to be the same in this respect. And that's because of the way you speak naturally. When Spanish speakers try to say bath or aunt, it sounds strange in my experience. That is only my advice. You see, I'm not trying to make you speak like a Scottish person, because if I was, I'd be teaching you the difference between 9 to 5. I'd be making you use this difference, and I'm not. I wouldn't do that. That would be completely stupid. You see, I'm trying to make you speak like a natural Spanish speaker, which is a rhotic speaker. To say, Marge laughed when Charles farted in the bath. Say it.
Marge laughed when Charles farted in the bath.
Yeah. Which do you say, bath or bath?
Bath.
Let me hear Maria.
No.
So shorty, you say bath, which is quite that's almost there. And it doesn't matter if you've already learned Charles laughed when Marge farted in the bath. No problem at all. That's your nature. That's your identity of your English. Okay.
I can see the difference between these two sounds.
That's for another day. I don't want to spend any more hour and a half sessions on this, but there's still some details I have to tell you. So I'd like to do maybe just 10-15 minutes a day, so that you go away with the full picture, the full story, and that's one of the things that you'll learn.